All right, guys, we've got an autographed basketball break that we're going to be doing. This is from Hit Parade. This is Series 2, and it's going to be box 52 out of 100. This has got a Luka Doncic autographed basketball, and then there's a Zion autographed basketball. So those are two of the headliner names in here. But you got some other huge names as well. So let's see if we can pull one of those monsters out of this. So every spot gives you 3 random teams, just like our basketball jersey break. So in this break, I've got Matt P with 1 spot, Jeff M with 1, Dan C with 1, Andre with 1, and then John M, you picked up 6 spots in this one. All right, so let's go ahead and randomize the teams. Dude, Leaf Pearl, man, that's an expensive break. Or expensive product in general. These boxes are crazy expensive. All right, let's go ahead. Every spot gives you 3 random teams. Let's mix this up 5 times as well. All right, so we're looking for the Mavericks and the Pelicans in this one. Let me get this sorted here. All right, here we go. So, Andre, you've got the Bulls, the Kings, and the Raptors. Dan's got the Celtics, the Hornets, and the Nets. Jeff, you've got the Bucks. There you go. You got the Pelicans and the Spurs. John, you've got the Timberwolves, the Suns, the Thunder, Miami Heat, Memphis Grizzlies, the Sixers, the Pacers, the Wizards, Pistons, Jazz. There you go. You got Dallas. You got the Rockets, the Lakers, the Portland Trailblazers, the Cavs, the Clippers, the Warriors, and the Nuggets. And then Matt P, you've got the Knicks, the Magic, and the Hawks. So this one's going to be a little bit tougher because most of these basketballs aren't going to have the team listed. So it's going to be based on length of service. Unless in the inscription is, you know, a year that they won an award. So it's going to be based on what year or what team they played for in that year. So it's a little bit confusing. For the most part, we're going to go with longest tenure. That's typically how we do it. So unless there's some kind of inscription that leans towards one specific team, and that's how we'll do it. In the NBA Hall of Fame, they don't go in with a specific team, so it makes it tough to do it that way. All right. All right, we got Fanatic Certified. That's a good sign. Let's see who we got. All right, we're going old school. 1967 champs, 1983 champs. Bill something. Any guesses on that? I got the Bill part. Let's see if we got a name listed anywhere. have to look him up. It's going to be a Billy Cunningham. So 67 champs and 83 champs. This may make it interesting. Let's see if they've jacked this up. Billy Cunningham. Dude, so homeboy just inscribed it. 67 champs and 83 champs. One was a player, one was a coach. You got to be kidding me. So it's going to be Philadelphia as a player. And that's who he played the length of his career with. But 83 champs is going to mess that up. Let's see. No, it's not. He coached with Philadelphia too. So he coached with him and played with him. So that makes it easy. So that's going to be a 76ers basketball. So that's good. We didn't have to randomize that. So that's going to be John M. So John had the most spots in that break, and you're going to end up with the basketball. So it is a Fanatic certified. Sticker is on there. Not sure if sometimes they include the C of A, the card. Sometimes they don't. I don't see it in here. So John, congratulations to you, man. We'll get that basketball in the mail to you. So I do have one more box of this that we will do coming up next weekend. Or excuse me, on Thursday. So we'll be breaking another of these on Thursday. So if you want to get in on that, send me an email, Todd@tennskinbreaks.com, and we'll get you added into the one for Thursday night.